Hello guys, so in the last 30 days, I made close to 12.5 lakhs in sales. And right now, I'm really struggling with managing the cash flow and achieving the 30 lakhs goal that I have set for this month, March.
So this is the business dashboard. You can see I have set the date of from 7th of February to 9th of March. That is because February was 28 days month. So last 30 days I have set it for the last 30 days. Okay, so last 30 days it is last 30 days. So you can see, let me just refresh it once more. Okay. So last 30 days I have crossed around 12 lakhs 46,780 rupees. Okay. And this is a sale. Let me just refresh this again for you. Okay. So here I am refreshing it. Okay. So here you can see same date range 1 year ago it was this, and now it is almost 10x. So let me refresh it. Let me show you the advertisement spend also. So last 30 days it is already set to last 30 days. So last 30 days, as you can see, the rate range is last 30 days. So last 30 days I have spent around 1.32 in advertisement, and the ACOS is 14.86. I know the ACOS is a little bit higher. Okay, it is just ACOS. I don't care about ACOS at all. But my TACOS is around close to your 9% right now. Okay, and actually it is a little bit higher. I want it to be around 6 to 7%. But since I have launched 4 products, so that is why it is coming. Okay, because the 4 products in launch phase, so their ACOS will be a little bit higher. So all that totaled, and this is why the ACOS is also a little bit higher, as well as the TACOS is a little bit around 1 to 2% higher than the normal range. Okay, so if I just refresh it once more. Okay.
So since now I am already halfway to achieving my goal, so right now the 30 lakh mark doesn't seem to be that much for me. It is just not giving that amount of motivation to me right now. Like 30 lakh, it doesn't looking to me as that much of a big deal right now. I don't know if it is just the goal or just the thing that I am going to achieve it, and I am also like halfway there, so it is happening or not. I don't know. I kind of feel like the motivation is not there right now. So now what I am doing is I am focusing on a more bigger target. So now I am focusing on getting 3 crores a month by December 2021. And on that 3 crore per month that I am going to achieve by December 2021, I am confident I am going to do that. I do not limit myself setting my goals or taking that amount of actions. So in that 3 crore per month, I am assuming a profit margin of around 60 lakhs a month. So that should be the net profit that I am planning and targeting. Now I was obviously a complete different being in the past 1 year. If you just go back to my old videos, you will see I was a complete different being then. And now I have changed myself to achieve the goals, because I have to change to the goal in order to make that. Okay, and if I don't change myself, if I keep on doing the same thing that I was doing, then obviously I'm not going to achieve new things. If I want to change my life, I have to change myself first. Now I am telling you this right now. I used to fear of growth, and I used to limit myself to grow more. I used to have a fear that suppose I go and achieve that bigger goal, then what would happen? How my life would be? I used to have that fear in me always when I was just starting out this business. I always knew inside of me that there are the things that if I do that, it will be very much beneficial for me and very much profitable for me. But still, due to that fear, I wasn't doing that. Now here I am after 2.5 years of my journey. And now when I look back, I kind of learned this one thing. Okay, now this thing is, if you are getting fear of something, doing something, and if you're feeling that fear inside of you, then one thing I learned is you have to do that thing and you have to do 10 times that. So you have to just 10x the thing that you are getting fear of. And almost 10 out of 10 times the thing that I have feared the most of taking the action, doing that thing, and after I have did that, after doing that, it was 100x beneficial for me, and it was so much profitable that I couldn't even imagine. And now I take fear as an indicator. If I am getting fearful of doing something, then it's a must that I have to do that. And never limit your goals. Okay, this is the biggest mistake I was doing. I was writing goals of 1 lakh a month, something like that. Okay, those are such tiny goals. You have to think bigger. You have to 10x those things. Right now, so I have this goal of 30 lakhs per month, and I was going to achieve that by December 2021. What I said to myself is just that. I want to achieve that in the next 3 months. Now, when you are taking these 10x actions against your fears, you will get a ton of haters. Okay, a lot of people are going to hate you, but trust me, you are going to like those type of attentions. Okay, you want those type of attentions. And one thing I learned is your family members will be the first in the list to demotivate you. They would generally tell you things like, why are you doing this? There's no future in this. And your friends have got the job. Why aren't you living a normal life? What's normal in it? And also they're going to tell you, go get a job. And they're also going to tell you, go get a job like others. Yes, like others. And they will be one of the first to actually stop you from achieving your goals and actually limiting your beliefs that you can't do it, it is not possible, something like that. And when you're in this journey trying to get a life that is not normal like others, then trust me, you won't be able to get motivated every time. You won't be motivated like every minute, every hour. There will be times when you feel depressed, when you're not achieving the goals, you will feel depressed, demotivated. And for those times, you have to be self-motivated, okay? Now, what do I mean by self-motivated? So you have to build some self-disciplines in the place, some habits that will keep you pushing, okay? That will keep you going even in this depressed, demotivated period, and that will actually build some confidence, and that confidence will actually push you to the next task and the next task and the next task and finally achieving your goals. Now I have actually finished reading this book. This book is called Atomic Habits by James Clear, and this book actually guides you on how to build those disciplines, okay? Because building discipline, building habits is really tough. Doing exercise every day for me, it was like so much tougher, but I have to do that, okay? It's like a duty for me right now. I cannot just push this thing to the next day, I have to do it, okay? Like it's not an option for me. It's not like I have other choice. It's my duty. I have to do it no matter how. And the book, The Atomic Habits that I read, that I am suggesting you to actually go and read it, the best thing is buy an audiobook. That will be best for you, okay? And that book, it was like chaos. And it was like a powerful magician. And even in this Amazon FBA business, it's kind of similar. If you're coming normal like the others, then it will be very tough for you to actually scale your business, okay? If you're being normal like every other seller is doing, then it's very hard for you to scale. You have to be differentiated a lot in the marketplace in order to get attention from your customers, okay? You want both type of attention, both the bad ones as well as the good ones, okay? So it reminds me of a story. It was a zebra story, okay? Just let me know if you heard about this story. This is a very famous story. So how many of you guys have seen zebras in your real eyes? Just let me know in the comment section, okay? You may have seen in television or in YouTube or something, but if you have seen those in your naked eyes, just let me know in the comment section. So I have actually planned, okay, not planning, I have planned that after achieving this 30 lakh in March, I am visiting the biggest tiger reserve in the whole India. So I'm going to visit that, and obviously I am trying to see those zebras, how they actually move in a group, okay? Because zebras always, you find them in a group, in a herd, okay? You cannot find a single zebra. They are not just that it moves alone, okay? It is very rare to find a single zebra. They will be always in a group, okay? So like there is a saying, okay, the story goes like this way. So there is a saying that zebras can camouflage, but it's really not possible, right? How can zebras be camouflaged? Like lions can be camouflaged, okay? Lions have this orange golden color fur on their skin, okay? Like their skin is golden color, brown, that actually perfectly melts with the grass, okay? When it is summertime, when the grass become brown, it perfectly melts with the lion, and lion just hides in the grass, just waiting for the prey. They're just waiting whether a small prey will come, they will just jump on it, okay? So then how can zebra be camouflaged? Like they have this black and white stripe, how can they be camouflaged, right? So zebras are basically black and white, and they cannot camouflage. You can see them from a long distance, and even you can notice that, yeah, that are zebras. You cannot find a single zebra moving alone. They will be always in a group. So the biologists wanted to study the movement of zebras. So what they did is they just took a jeep in the forest and they just tried to study the zebras. Okay, they found the herd of zebra, group of zebra. They just saw and they have this notepad. There was a notebook. They was writing down. Okay, they were seeing the zebra and then they were coming down below and writing down. Okay, and then when they look up, they weren't able to identify which zebra they were tracking. Okay. Like if you just look up at a zebra, you identify a zebra, then you look back, look down, and then again move your head up, you won't be able to identify which zebra you are looking. So zebras are able to camouflage in their group. Okay, they are able to camouflage within the group. You cannot identify a single zebra. Their stripes are similar to every zebras. Okay. So then those biologists thought that is a big problem. They have to find a solution to this. So what they did was they chased those group of zebras with their jeep and they carried a bucket of red paint. Okay, red paint with a brush. And what they did is they just painted the back of one zebra, a big red dot. Okay, with the red paint. And then they started studying. And guess what happened to that zebra? So the lions ate that zebra. So the lions ate the zebra that have that red dot on their back that the biologists have painted to identify which one they are tracking. You know, lions are hunters, okay? They are very smart, they have to plan every prey. And in order to plan those, okay, because they are smart, they do everything very planned manner. So in order to identify, okay, in order to prey a particular animal, they have to identify a single one, okay? They cannot just find a group and hunt every one of those. They have to identify a particular animal that they are going to hunt. They have to identify it and then they have to set whole plan to actually prey it and hunt it. Okay. So lions have to basically identify a particular animal before they go and hunt that. So it is similar with Amazon. Okay. You have to be differentiated and those lions are like customers to us and we are the zebras. And we are basically the zebras with the red paint because I know the strategies to differentiate my product very well. Okay, and the same strategy helped me to scale my business in this rapid speed. Now, if you guys are following me, you know the point before. Like if you go back one year before, then you'll see the video where I showed my sales. I was doing like 2 lakhs per month in revenue. Then I jumped, I had set a goal. I posted the goal in my YouTube channel that I am going to cross 7 lakhs in August. But that August goal didn't happen. I achieved that on October. Then again I set a goal to achieve 30 lakhs, which I am obviously going to cross. I am right now at 12.5 lakhs and it's just today is 6th of March. Okay, and I have also set a goal that I am going to achieve 3 crores in revenue by this December 2021. I am confident I am going to achieve that with a 60 lakhs net profit per month. And also I am jumping into real estate. Okay, I am jumping into real estate residential apartments soon in a couple of months, like 4 to 5 months. I am jumping into that. Now I obviously laid out my exact strategies how I use to differentiate my product, what strategies I use to differentiate my product, how my products gets more profit than others. When they are actually competing with price, I am able to scale at a much higher price, more than 200, 300. And one of my product, coincidentally, it is a Chinese product. It was one of the best-selling product of my catalog. What it did was I actually priced it more than double the competitions. Okay, the competitors were selling at 499 and I was selling at 1586. So the product, I can tell you the product. Okay, the product was a mop holder. The product was a mop holder. I have discontinued that because of the market, because I was out of stock for a long time. Okay, I wasn't able to manage the cash flow because if you're doing imports from China, you require a lot of cash flow. Okay, I do not tell you something like it is not going to take any cash. It is very easy. It's not that easy. Okay, it's not that easy. When you're managing a business, you have to know the cash flow, the cash ins, cash outs. Okay, and obviously I wouldn't know about those. I wouldn't have that experience if I didn't have done this. Okay, obviously experience taught me a lot, but that product I used to make like 700, sell like 700 more than others, 700 to 800. And a couple of days, like in the sales season, I used to price that at 1586 and I used to get like 15, 17 orders. Okay, and the profits, the sourcing price was a little bit higher, but since I was bundling and the design was differentiated, so no one can touch me. Okay, I have a video. I got the video from the manufacturer, and back then I used to be the only seller with a video and a A+ content. Trust me, because I was getting the knowledge from international sellers. I was in the groups of international sellers. I know how to convert a listing to sale. I know what image session percentage means. I know what are impressions and what are clicks and how to get more clicks out of impressions. I know those strategies, okay? So that really helped me to scale this business, the differentiation methods that I use particularly. And even I teach those same methods in my course as well, my private level machines course. The link will be in the description if you're interested, you can check. Today is the last day, and from Monday the price is going to rise to 16,999. Right now it is at 11,999. The price is going to increase to 16,999. If you're interested, you can obviously check it out. So guys, that's it for the video. One thing I'll suggest is never just let down yourself. If you're fearing to do something, just do it. Okay, just do 10 times of it. Then you will see it is so much profitable for you. Then you will thank you. Okay, you will thank me as well as you will thank you to take that decision to actually move forward against the fear and do that thing. So that's it, guys. I will keep making this type of videos that will push you to do the next thing, take more actions against those fears, against all the odds, and making a very good future. Let me know, guys, how you loved or how do you hate this video. I'll wait for your reply in the comment section. And obviously I reply to every comment that I get, okay? And if you have anything that you want me to help you with your listing, with some conversions or anything, okay, I will just email me. My email address will be sammy@privatelabelmachines.com. I'll definitely help you. I'll try to provide as much value as I can, okay? Obviously I'm not going to charge for that, obviously, because this community helped me to scale my mentality, my mindset to a next level, okay? So thank you guys for watching all of the videos that I am posting. I really can't appreciate you more. Thank you guys, and I'll see you guys in the next video.